Okay, so peds, I know everyone, well, not everyone, but not everyone likes peds at all. What I always say is take it easy, chill out, relax, just use the same rules as always. Just draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. And if you see sort of any discrepancy or any sort of bump in peds, you should be worried. And in this situation, I think everyone can see that there is a bit of a bump. But then, what about, is there a Salter-Harris? Is there a Salter-Harris 1, 2, 3? Is it all slipped across? How do we know? I always say draw a really bad line. So just if you're a good drawer, become a bad drawer. So you zoom in and just pan that across, and then you get the pen line again. And instead of drawing like this, right, and trying to see whether it's lined, draw a bad line. So draw a kind of really sort of bad line like this, even if you need to go slightly outwards, bowing outwards. And if that slightly bad drawing works and makes everything aligned, then go with that, because you've got a whole load of sort of chondroid stuff sitting over here. Sometimes it slightly bulges out. You're not going to get a flat line like you get with an adult with peds. But yeah, hopefully everyone can see. This is hopefully quite straightforward, isn't it? Look at that. On the lateral view as well, you can see that there is what looks like a Torus fracture or Greenstick injury of the distal radius. The only thing I'll be a bit worried about is on the lateral view, you can see that there's a little bit of cortical disruption there. Can everyone see that? So you wonder whether, because with kids' bones, right? What do they say? It's like this kind of Y, and it kind of bends. But that when it bends, you've got these Greenstick injuries or Torus injuries kind of impacted and bends a bit. But you can, if it bends a lot, then you just get a fracture. You get a cortical break like anything else. And so in this situation, I would be a little bit worried on the lateral views. There could be a cortical break as well on this particular X-ray.